In this tutorial, you will learn how to install and use the cutter option. Locate the two mounting screws on the bottom of the printer. Remove the mounting screws with a T10 driver. Pull down on the front bezel to remove. Position the cutter option and slide up to engage. Reinstall the two mounting screws. To use the cutter, first open the printer. Open the roll holders and insert the media roll. Push the end of the media through the slot. Push the media down under the guides. Close the printer.